In the cold valleys of North America, from Alaska's frozen rivers to Yellowstone's mountain forests, walks one of Earth's most dominant land mammals. They call it the grizzly bear. Its real name is Ursus arctos horribilis, a subspecies of the brown bear. The nickname grizzly comes from its silver-tipped fur, each hair catching light like frost. But that name doesn't reveal its full presence. This is strength, patience, and instinct in motion. If you want to explore more incredible animal behaviors, subscribe and join the journey of nature's marvels. Don't forget to write your thoughts in the comments. Nothing moves like a grizzly. Its shoulder hump, a mountain of muscle, powers every dig, every swipe, every lift. Its claws, on 7 to 10 centimeters long, are longer than a standard kitchen spoon. Its paw, up to 30 centimeters wide, can crush logs or leave deep impressions in soil. Its shoulder hump, dense with muscle, lifts boulders or digs dens faster than any human could. Its bite, around 1,000 psi, can crush the femur of a moose or snap the trunk of a lodgepole pine. Its movements are deliberate. Each paw presses the earth as if it remembers every step taken, and each swipe is a tool, a literal lever of life. The grizzly's mind is as sharp as its claws. By the river, it stands, stone still, silent as shadow. Salmon leap, silver flashes between rocks. The bear does not chase in haste. It calculates the jump, the current, the timing, and strikes with surgical precision. It hunts for necessity, not sport. Every action has purpose. Every strike is measured. It digs for rodents buried 50 centimeters below the surface. It remembers carcasses and returns months later to feed on remains. It waits, predicts, calculates. Summer is a time of slow grazing, berries, roots, insects. Fall turns it into a furnace of consumption. During hyperphagia, it gains 3 to 4 kilograms a day, storing fat for the long winter. It can consume up to 20,000 calories per day, the equivalent of 10 full Thanksgiving dinners. It can catch 20 or more salmon in a single day. Building layers of insulation. By late autumn, it carries over 600 pounds of muscle and fat, an unstoppable winter engine. The bear retreats to its den, a hollow carved into a hillside, or beneath fallen trees, often 2 to 3 meters deep. Inside, metabolism slows, heart rate drops, breath soft, as snow settles on pine. Cubs are born midwinter, blind, tiny, fragile. Cubs weigh just 3 to 400 grams, as small as a large loaf of bread. They watch their mother for hours, learning to catch fish, smell danger, recognize safe dens. Survival is taught in silence, through observation and repetition. By digging, foraging, and moving through the forest, the grizzly shapes rivers, spreads seeds, and governs prey populations. A quiet architect of the wild. Here is the quiet truth. Power is not just force, it is patience, precision, preparation. The grizzly does not hurry. It endures, it observes, it conquers without shouting. Every claw, every paw, every heartbeat is a lesson in survival. Every season reveals mastery, hidden in plain sight. This is the ultimate ruler of the northern wild.